This is a shul on Tefilla. We got to Shukimel Midot Rachamim. You said to explain Hashem, now Kel. The method of Rachamim, according to most Rishonim, starts with Kel. Kel, Rachum, V'Chaim. Kel is the first mitzvah of Rachamim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu promised us, if we do Keseder Hazeh, not to read it, us to Keseder Hazeh. If we do this Seder, this order, Hashem would not send us empty-handed. For sure, Hashem would answer it. But it says, us to Keseder Hazeh. We have to do it. We have to follow. Now, Kel, before Hashem say, means powerful. Kel is power. Now, what's the powerful here? Is a power with midat rachamim. It's powerful midat rachamim. Like Esther Amalka says, Eli, Keli, lama azabtan. My powerful God that has midat rachamim. Why do you leave me? When she was going to Hashbrosh, because there were idols there, she felt that Shekhinah is living there. It says, Keli, lama azabtan. They were the Kel, we are asking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you are powerful. They were the first nekuda that we asked HaKadosh Baruch Hu to forgive us. We say that they are power. Now to imagine you are working for a company and somebody did something wrong. He goes to the president. The president says, see, I don't have authority. You did such a terrible thing that there is no room for forgiveness. I don't have power. You made the company lose so much that there is no way to do it. I can't do it. If the president cannot do it, does not power, is not capable of doing it, everything is in vain. We cannot do it. We cannot help it. And here, we go to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The first thing that we tell HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you're a kid, you're powerful. You could save me. You could get me back. You could do it. There's nothing, there's no obstacle in front of you. Care. We are mitorah, just we said, these things are not just saying it. We adapt that. Tell HaKadosh Baruch Hu with the full kavanah of consideration, you are powerful. You have that power. No matter how great is my sin, no matter what I did, you have the power to forgive me and to get me out. Now, that is short, simple meaning. But the deeper meaning of that is that whatever that we say, we have to adapt in ourselves. How are we going to adapt in ourselves? So that say Rachum, we want HaKadosh Baruch Hu to be Rachum. What does Rachum mean? Mercy. You want Hashem to be merciful, you have to be merciful to other people. You have to adapt it in yourself. What you create in yourself, you adapt in yourself, you order that midah in HaKadosh Baruch Hu to contact you, to behave that midah in you. But if you don't order it in yourself, you don't awaken that in yourself, it doesn't work. No, comes out unbelievable point. The first point of Teshuvah is powerful. You have to become powerful yourself. You have to adapt yourself. You have to empower yourself. And I could do it. I could get out of the mud. I could get out myself. Once we empower ourselves, once we understand and we have full confidence that we could become powerful and overcome the dirt, the mud that we are in, to get ourselves out, once we do that, we activate Teshuvah. Then that we adopt in ourselves, that power we show, and there doesn't have to be power of victorious. Little bit power, little bit motivation, little bit showing a power that I'm not just in the hand of Yetzer Hara. I'm not your puppet, Yetzer Hara. You could do whatever that you want to me. I have some power. I could withhold myself. I could hold. Once we activate that, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu Hashem will empower us to overcome. The first step of Teshuvah is Kel. Kel is powerful. To believe that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has power, and we tell Hashem we are powerful. We could do it. You could forgive us. Please forgive us. Please empower us. On the other hand, we have to show some type of power that we can overcome, and through that, Hashem would help us to do Teshuvah Shlema and to get out of the Nisayon that we are.